Hi cuties, it's Romics Day 1 and I'm on my Harley Quinn cosplay from Batman the Animated Series. Cowl, suit and all these accessories are from Sin Such Clothing, and the mask and this cute Gotham backpack are from NS Nail Chest. It's adorable but so damn expensive. It's already lunchtime, so I think I'm gonna get before into the gun and then have lunch, so let's go exploring. Okay, I already saw this one, and as usual, there's nothing new. I mean, it starts becoming a little bit boring, this Romics, especially the April edition. There's nothing new, nothing actual, nothing like these years. It's always old stuff, like stuff that was like went popular on like 2008, 2010. And I got a sandwich with octopus. Very good. Hi Betsy. Oh, Puddin. Let's go and see this exhibition, guys. It looks so cool. Oh, this is so beautiful. I mean, wow. This is the best one. We're the best couple. This is my Harley Quinn hair dye. I'm guessing this is my colors here. I'm using like lagoon blue and I don't remember. Yeah, carnation pink. These are the best popcorn ever. meet cafe. I'm gonna retouch my lips with this. Please focus, Jeffree Star. No more focus. Okay, Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. And the makeup bag. It's the first day. The makeup bag is like empty, and like most of the things on the menu are sold out. Oddio, ma che carino! We're leaving. Guys, we're leaving. It starts to become really cold and really windy. And also I need to prepare a cosplay for tomorrow, so make sure you like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel so you will be, and also put the notification bell on so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys, and see you very soon.